Good morning, you guys. Hope you're having a good morning and productive morning. My morning has started off really well. I woke up at 7 o'clock this morning. Well, like 6:30 this morning. I woke up, but I didn't get out of bed. Until probably about 8. But I'm really excited because I go meet a client this morning. I have to go present the plans for the living room and the master bedroom. Those seem to be like the two popular rooms that I get hired for. Yeah, he wants me to do those 2 spaces, and I'm really excited because the first thing he did when we were talking and everything, he grabbed my arm and he said, "I want the good stuff." I was like, okay. He was like, "No, I want the good stuff," because he told me that the furniture that he had previously that we're gonna be donating, and we're gonna kind of repurpose them somewhere else in the house too, and then some he's just gonna give away. He had purchased them from Ethan Allen, so they're really great quality. So I was like, I know exactly. The minute he said that, I was like, I already know what he's gonna like, because he's very like old school traditional. So I'm really excited because one, this is gonna be my first order with this one particular company, but the other company I worked with them for a while, and then I get to work with Century, which I absolutely love. But we're gonna be doing some really nice high-end pieces. And let me just say, that's not why I'm happy about the design. I'm happy about the design because there really isn't like a struggle with the client. Like, I'm not having to say, listen, you want to invest in a really good sofa, you want to invest in a good sectional. We're not having that discussion. It's just like, listen, we're gonna consign and, you know, find a deal on these things, but these 2 things, like, we don't. And then he was like, whatever you, I'm fine. That right there was just great, that I didn't have to combat someone trying to convince them into something like he already knew, because he already had it. So it makes the working relationship go really smoothly, was what I mean by that. But I'm really excited. But I have his plans. Everything looks so good. I'm so excited. And we're doing Umbrella fabrics. I have some Krypton, and it's just gonna be so pretty. I don't know if I'm gonna share it because this is like super traditional. I may just take the before and after pictures, like hire a photographer to come in and do the pictures. I have my guy, well, he's not really my guy, he's my friend's guy that I'm borrowing while I'm here. He's gonna come in and do all the patchwork on the walls, fix everything, and then we're gonna, well, I'm gonna send in his pictures, because right now he has like 30,000 different frames, which is cute, but I want to take all those frames and send them to get actual framing and have everything be really nice and uniform, which is what he wants, and have like a good run down the hallway of his pictures of his family, because like he's all about his family. And then in the master bedroom, I was able to repurpose some of the things on the wall, you guys. Anyway, I gotta go get ready. I have to go print out 2 more sheets because I like for the clients to see the furniture since they can't really see it. And then I'm gonna go to Home Depot and get some tape, so that way I can kind of tape some of the pieces in the room, so that way he has an idea or gist of how things are gonna look in the space. Other than that, you guys, it's just an absolutely beautiful morning, and I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna come back and let you guys know. I mean, clearly he's gonna go with it, because hello, and I've been working on this thing for 2 whole weeks. 2 whole weeks I've been working on it. But no, for real, I'll come back and let you guys know. But I'm pretty confident that he's gonna love everything, because just seeing what he already had in his house and how things were set up, I was like, all right, he wants like nice big pillowy sofa, he wants a nice big bed, he want to feel, you know, real good in his room and stuff, and he wants the living room. But he was like, he wants to come into his home and just feel like he's staying at a nice high-end, you know, hotel and stuff. And I was just like, you called the right one, because you guys already know, like, I'm not about traveling well and then you trying to nitpick on things that's gonna go in your actual home. That is like so backwards to me. No offense to anybody, no offense to anyone, but I feel like if you're gonna spend a whole bunch of money on like a luxury vacation, you should probably take time to invest into your home too, because you're there more than anywhere else, so you should invest in that too. But anyhow, I'm gonna go print my stuff, get my whole life together, and I'll see you guys back here, and I'll let you guys know how things go. But I'm excited. Let's try this again. Good morning, you guys. It is the next day. I did not come back yesterday because I I was tired and I was really busy. I was gonna apologize just now, but I'm not gonna apologize because I literally close in a month and a half. So right now I'm just trying to finish my thing. I feel so uncomfortable in this chair. Give me a second, because you know I'm a shorty and I feel like I'm low to the ground. Now this feels good. I know a few of you guys have been so I got the client. But yeah, yesterday's meeting went really, really well. I had explained to him that we can do it in 2 phases, where we purchase the structured big statement pieces first, and then we would go and do the accessories second, which is what I tend to do with my clients. I think I said this before, but let me say it again. I don't work on my own schedules. I work on my client schedules, because at the end of the day, they're the one that's paying for it. And he had said yes, but then when I showed him the accessory list, he was just like, "Just gonna get everything." I said, okay, we're doing it like that. So his house is probably gonna come together 120 days, because it's gonna take at least 2 months to get everything ordered. And I have an update on my house. Roll that beautiful bean footage. You guys, I cannot believe that the sheetrock is freaking up at the house, but it's up. It's up. My skin is clearing up also, because somebody was like, "It don't really work." I'm like, nah, if you see my face, because I didn't use it for a month and I got my cycle, TMI, and I felt like a doggone something. Can't think of the word right this particular second, but it was bad, and it was just big and McNasty. So the second I opened up that PR package and I seen that Curology in there, I was like, let's go. I put my little, headband on, scrub my face down, and the breakouts are like already clearing up. The bumps on my neck, I'm like, listen, I don't have no reason to lie to y'all, because I'm gonna be honest with you. Curology didn't pay me enough to lie to y'all, because I opted to get a longer membership than to get paid. That's the real tea. That's how good I like it. And 2 other members of my family uses it also. So, my family watches my channel and stuff like that. So I'm not gonna tell y'all something and have them spend their money on something. If it ain't good, it ain't gonna make it to my channel. That's just what it is. But anyway, back to my house. I cannot believe the sheetrock is up, y'all. It's up. You can still see the nails and everything like that on it, you know what I'm saying? But it's up. And it's crazy. All the windows is up. So let me just tell y'all, because I was speaking with someone and she was just like, man, that's really good that your house is coming up, because people were getting fired along the way. And I'm like, this builder, he has been with these, like the cabinet person, the floor person, the paint, like these are people that's been with him since he probably started his company, and they've been there. So I would 100% say they can do their work with the eyes closed. So when I went down there was at least 4 people working. There was 2 downstairs and 2 upstairs, and technically downstairs is 1,000-something square feet and upstairs 1,000-something square feet. So just imagine, for one person they have about 500 square feet of space that they need to work and get together, which I think it's good. It makes things move faster. Instead of you having 2 guys doing sheetrock, there's like 5 guys doing sheetrock. When it came to the exterior, there were like 5 guys doing the exterior. There was 3 guys in the front, and then there were 2 in the back. So things tend to work extremely fast, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, right now I'm just trying to finish up 3 clients that I have. They just need some accessories, so by the end of next week I'll have them fully completed and done, which will be really, really great. It's kind of crazy just seeing my selections come together, even though I know a custom home honestly is when you hire like an engineer and you hire a contractor and you build your stuff and you actually get what you want. That's the way to do it. But just the mere fact that I was able to even do this is just a blessing within itself. So seeing the finishes and everything has been like truly amazing, and I'm really, really grateful. I'm really, really grateful for the process, and everything looks really good. I'm excited. And when I say I'm nervous, because I know I say I'm nervous just because this is like my first time like doing this like on my own. So it's just kind of like, ooh, you know, I'm gonna be nervous probably, I don't know, maybe when I'm actually in the house, like living in there, you know. But yeah, I'm really excited for everything. Oh, I feel like I'm forgetting something. I'm going to treat myself to something because I haven't purchased anything for a minute. My mom got my purse for my birthday, but outside of that, I really haven't bought myself anything. And there's one thing that I have in my mind that I just can't get out of it, which is like in the master bedroom, on my vanity in the bathroom, I would like to have the Jo Malone hand soap and the lotion. So I think I'm gonna gift that to myself today. It's not really expensive. It may be expensive to somebody, but to me it's, you know, it's not that expensive. And I do want to get some candles and stuff, so I'm gonna take you guys with me shopping. My cousin is here with me, so probably, you know, put her to work.
Leave your shirt on the floor. There's no reason to get up. There's a print on your cheek from my wrinkly pillow. There's a smell from the view while we went down. Your lips taste a clean from your toothpaste. Spend time cutting marks on your fingers. Let's lay here and waste our time. I'm gonna love you like crazy. Waste our time. Waste our time. Let's lay here and waste our time. I'm gonna love you like crazy. Waste our time. Let's lay here and waste our time.
You guys, stay tuned. I have a holiday gift guide coming up, and I did grab you guys a little something too.